Kapamilya actor Coco Martin has been openly criticizing the Duterte government for shutting down ABS-CBN. Presidential spokesperson Roque says the rants of Martin show that democracy is alive. The actor compared the TV network Shutdown to the POGO operations. ABS-CBN has more than 11,000 workers. Roque refuted Martin's comparison. Roque explained the powers of POGO and Congress. But the ang probinsyano lead actor stresses
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.